Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to add data in Snowball Analytics, how can you add? So whether you are working on your project and you just want to add data related with your currencies, or if you want to add the data related with treasure holdings or your income, how can you add? So today's video I will explain clearly how to add data in Snowball Analytics. So first, go ahead to snowball.com in your computer first, Snowball Analytics, and go ahead. So if you haven't logged in your account, you need to log in your account first. For me, I'm already logged in mine. Okay, so this is your home screen. So in your dashboard, you can see this is your net worth and that's your available income, right? So if you want to add data, how can you add? So take a look at the top of your corners and you can see the ads. So just click to add, and if you want to add new treasure holdings or new dividend income, just click something that you want to add. And out here, if you want to add your income and expense, how can you add? So you can choose your company here, and you can also try to add the operating days and total receive, how much you receive for that, and you can also put also your data here, and they will also available to put tax and fees as well. And if you want to add the cash balance, just click it and try to save. And then if you want to update for expense, you can also put the operation fees, ticker company, days and fees, and then you can just save like that. So by doing that, you can add also your data. Or now you just want to put for your tradings and holding, you can also insert operation bars and your days and your share and your price and fees as well. You can put also the thing that you need easily here. And if you want to just put for your portfolios or composite portfolio, just go ahead and to put all the necessary detail, also your data you can put here. So by doing that, you can add your data in Snowball Analytics. So before you do, just remember what kinds of data I want to put. What kinds of data you want to insert in your Snowball Analytics. That's one thing that you need to think about, and just put the data correctly and it will analyze your data easily. So depending on your account, in some account, they gonna need to upgrade to premium version to add also the available data. So make sure to check your account is available to add data or not before you use. Okay, so after a few moments, your data will appear in your portfolio dashboard again, and you will be able to see. So that's how to add data in Snowball Analytics, guys. I hope this will help you a lot, and thank you so much. See you back.